Stellantis just made an announcement that has the entire automotive industry talking. The CEO revealed 6 new models for 2026, and these aren't minor refreshes or rebadged versions of existing vehicles. If you've been watching Stellantis struggle to keep pace with competitors and wondering if the company still has what it takes to innovate, this lineup is about to answer that question. While other automakers are playing it safe, Stellantis is throwing everything on the table with bold new designs, revolutionary powertrains, and technology that could redefine entire segments. Number 6. Jeep Cherokee. The Cherokee nameplate is getting a complete transformation, and this isn't just another redesign. Stellantis is bringing back one of Jeep's most recognizable names with a ground-up overhaul. After years of watching the Cherokee struggle to find its identity, the new generation is positioned to reclaim its spot as a serious contender. The most significant change is the platform. The next Cherokee is moving to the STLA medium architecture, allowing for multiple powertrain options, including traditional gas engines, hybrids, and even a fully electric variant. For buyers frustrated by limited choices, this opens up possibilities that simply didn't exist before. Jeep is also addressing the biggest complaint about the outgoing model, the styling. The polarizing front-end design alienated plenty of buyers, but the 2026 model is going back to a more traditional Jeep aesthetic with the 7-slot grille and sleeker LED lighting. One of the most frustrating things about owning an SUV is watching your fuel budget disappear during your daily commute. That's why the hybrid option is expected to deliver over 30 miles per gallon combined while still providing enough power to make the Cherokee feel quick and capable. The Cherokee's biggest selling point will be its off-road capability, with the Trailhawk trim engineered to tackle terrain that would stop most compact SUVs. But as capable as the Cherokee is shaping up to be, the next one might be even more exciting for truck buyers. Number 5. Jeep Comanche. Stellantis is bringing back one of the most beloved names in Jeep history. The Comanche nameplate is making a comeback as Jeep's entry into the red-hot compact pickup truck segment, and this is a serious attempt to capture buyers who want a truck size for real-world use, not the oversized behemoths that dominate dealer lots. The Comanche is being positioned as a direct competitor to the Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz, but Jeep is bringing something these rivals can't match: genuine off-road credibility. While those trucks are essentially lifted unibody crossovers, the Comanche is being engineered from the ground up to be a legitimate trail machine. One of the biggest frustrations with modern full-size trucks is trying to navigate crowded city streets. In an era when trucks have grown so massive, the Comanche is returning to the original compact truck formula, big enough to be useful but small enough to be practical. The bed length is expected to be in the 5-foot range, enough for most hauling needs. Powertrain options are where the Comanche could separate itself. While the base engine will likely be a turbocharged 4-cylinder, Jeep is reportedly planning a plug-in hybrid variant that could deliver remarkable fuel economy without sacrificing capability. Off-road capability is where the Comanche is expected to shine, with serious ground clearance, protective skid plates, and a 4-wheel drive system with actual mechanical locking differentials. And while the Comanche is focused on the compact segment, Stellantis has another truck that's been proving itself in South America. Number 4. Rampage. North American truck buyers are finally getting access to one of Stellantis' best-kept secrets, the Rampage, a compact unibody pickup that's been succeeding in international markets. This is a fully developed truck that's already proven itself in some of the world's toughest markets. The Rampage fills a unique space, larger than the Comanche but smaller than the mid-sized Jeep Gladiator. This positions it perfectly for buyers who need more truck that a compact can offer but don't want the bulk of a traditional midsize. The unibody construction means it rides and handles more like an SUV, making it comfortable for daily driving. If you're tired of spending a fortune at the pump, the Rampage's powertrain strategy makes sense. The base engine is expected to be a turbocharged 4-cylinder that delivers solid power while achieving fuel economy numbers that will make full-size truck owners jealous. Ram is also planning a hybrid variant that could push fuel economy into the 30 miles per gallon range. The interior is where the Rampage might surprise buyers used to Spartan work trucks, with a large touchscreen infotainment system, comfortable seating with available leather upholstery, and enough rear seat space to actually carry passengers. Towing is expected at around 5,000 pounds, enough for most recreational trailers and work equipment. So the Rampage is bringing proven capability to a new market, but Stellantis has something even more exciting from one of their premium brands. Number 3. Next generation Alfa Romeo Stelvio. Alfa Romeo is preparing to launch the second generation of its first SUV. The Stelvio is growing in size, getting more powerful engines and adding an all-electric variant, all while maintaining the driving dynamics that made the original a favorite among enthusiasts. The size increase is strategic, with the new generation stretching its wheelbase and overall dimensions, which translates into more rear seat legroom and additional cargo capacity. The engine lineup is getting a comprehensive overhaul with the 3.0-liter Hurricane inline-six engine with 550 horsepower in the high-performance Quadrifoglio variant. But the real headline is the all-electric version, capable of delivering supercar-level acceleration while maintaining engaging driving dynamics. For buyers worried about range anxiety, the electric powertrain is expected to offer over 300 miles of range. And unlike some electric SUVs that feel heavy and disconnected, the electric Stelvio will maintain sharp steering response and balanced handling. The Stelvio's transformation is impressive, but while Alfa Romeo is saving one brand with performance, Stellantis has another brand that desperately needs saving. Number 2. Chrysler SUV. Chrysler desperately needs a hit, and this new SUV might be the vehicle that saves the brand from extinction. After years of watching its lineup shrink to just 2 models, Chrysler is betting its entire future on a modern SUV designed to compete with the Honda Pilot, Mazda CX-90, and Toyota Grand Highlander. The yet-to-be-named SUV is being built on Stellantis' STLA large platform, giving it flexibility to offer multiple powertrain options, including gas engines, hybrids, and potentially a fully electric variant. The size is being carefully calibrated to hit the sweet spot in the 3-row SUV segment, larger than the Grand Cherokee L but not as massive as a full-size SUV. The powertrain strategy is focused on efficiency without sacrificing performance, with the volume seller likely being a hybrid system delivering impressive fuel economy, potentially in the mid-30s for combined driving. Anyone who's owned a 3-row SUV knows the frustration of a third row only suitable for small children. That's why Chrysler is focusing heavily on making the interior genuinely practical, with premium materials, a large touchscreen with wireless connectivity, and seating that's genuinely comfortable for long road trips. The third row is being designed to actually accommodate adults, and while the Chrysler SUV is playing it safe with proven technology, the number 1 vehicle is taking the complete opposite approach. Number 1. Ramcharger. Ram is introducing a completely revolutionary approach to truck design that could change the entire industry's thinking about combining capability with efficiency. The Ramcharger isn't just another electric truck or hybrid, it's something entirely different, solving problems that have plagued electrified trucks since the beginning. The Ramcharger uses a series hybrid system that's fundamentally different from competitors. Instead of a gas engine powering the wheels directly, the Ramcharger's gas engine exists solely to generate electricity that powers electric motors. You get instant torque and smooth power delivery of an electric truck, the efficiency benefits of a properly sized generator engine, and none of the range anxiety. The battery pack is sized intelligently, large enough to handle most daily driving purely on electric power, meaning the generator engine rarely needs to run during regular commuting. This gives you the efficiency and low operating costs of an EV for everyday use, while the generator remains ready for extended range or towing. Performance numbers are impressive, with Ram targeting over 600 horsepower and well over 600 pound-feet of torque, putting the Ramcharger in supercar territory for acceleration. 0 to 60 times are expected in the low 4-second range. The electric motors provide precise control of power delivery, improving traction, stability, and towing behavior in ways traditional powertrains can't match. The towing capacity is targeting 14,000 pounds, competitive with the best diesel-powered trucks while offering far better towing dynamics. The instant torque from the electric motors means no waiting for a transmission to downshift or turbo to spool up. The power is there immediately. From the redesigned Cherokee reclaiming its place in the compact SUV segment, to the resurrected Comanche bringing genuine off-road capability to compact truck buyers, to the battle-tested Rampage finally arriving, Stellantis is covering ground competitors have ignored. The next-generation Stelvio proves Italian performance brands can evolve without losing their soul, while the new Chrysler SUV might save an American icon. These 6 models show a company not just surviving, but actively fighting to win back market share with innovation and solutions buyers actually need. But keep in mind that rivals are bringing big novelties as well, starting with GM and their 8 brand new models you can check out in our next video. If you thought GM was stuck with electrification, this video shows that America's largest automaker is coming up with innovations of all kinds. From advanced EVs to plug-in hybrid technology to groundbreaking performance cars, GM is setting new standards in numerous aspects of the automotive industry.